Hello and welcome to this short, beginner's guide to the rule of thirds and how it affects your photography. Have you ever taken a photo and it just didn't look quite right? Maybe the composition felt off or the subject seemed too small. Well, there's a simple technique that can help you improve your photography. It's called the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a guideline that suggests dividing your image into thirds both horizontally and vertically. This creates 9 equal parts, like a tic-tac-toe board. The idea is to place your subject at one of the 4 intersections or along one of the lines. This creates a more balanced and visually pleasing composition. By using the rule of thirds, you can make your photos more dynamic and interesting. Instead of placing your subject smack dab in the middle of the frame, try positioning it along one of the lines. This helps draw the viewer's eye into the photo and adds depth and movement. So next time you're taking a photo, remember the rule of thirds. It's a simple technique that can have a big impact on your photography. Happy shooting!